Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2016 Honda Pilot cabin air filter. Start by gathering a replacement filter, a screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleanup. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake for safety. Open the glove box gently, release the dampener arm, and lower the glove box to expose the cabin air filter housing. I will walk you through removal, inspection, and correct reinstallation step by step. Begin removal by opening the glove box and locating the small dampener arm on the passenger side. Unhook the dampener to allow the glove box to drop fully without tension, then squeeze the sides and lower it carefully. Identify the filter housing cover and release its clips or screws slowly to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Pull the filter straight out while watching for loose debris and set the old filter aside for inspection. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video so I can bring more helpful car tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet after a long DIY session with darn tough socks that offer a lifetime warranty and reliable cushioning for long drives. I link the product and deals in the description below for easy access, so check that out now. Let's get back to the video. Inspect the new cabin air filter for the airflow arrow and match it to the airflow direction in the housing. Insert the filter gently, making sure it seats fully without bending the pleats or touching seals. Reattach the housing cover and verify that all clips or screws are secure. Reconnect the glove box dampener, close and open the glove box to confirm smooth operation, and run the fan briefly to check for improved airflow and reduced odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.